What's up guys, Matt here. After I posted that last video, the BMW oil change, I realized that some of my previous oil service videos have lacked one step, and that is resetting the service light. And let's be honest, there are people out there, myself included, that neglect to reset the service indicator after performing an oil service. But there's no reason to, because it really only takes a minute. Matt here. Behind me is the MK5 Volkswagen Jetta. As you know, I do all the service myself, so that means that I have to manually reset the service reminder. So in this video, I'm gonna do that real quick. Side note, this may be the last video you ever see this vehicle on this channel because I am gonna be selling this car in 25 minutes. Ended up getting about $4,300 for this car. It's 2010. 136,000 miles, so I'm pretty happy with that. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna have the Jetta on the channel anymore. Hopefully I can go pick up another Volkswagen or Audi. So without further ado, let's get into this extremely easy procedure. So this is all you need to know about this. You've got this button over here. You've got that button over there. So we've got the two buttons, let's call them left and right. So my understanding is you get into the car, hold the right button down while turning the car into the auxiliary mode. Do not start the car, but turn it to auxiliary mode. Then turn the car off, release the right button and hit the left button, and the service light should go away. So let's give this a try. Success. So there you have it. That's how you reset the service indicator, the little wrench icon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Super easy. I literally just looked this up, but I figured I'd post a video so more people have more easily accessible resources to do this themselves. So you're gonna wanna do this after you do your oil change just so you can get rid of that service indicator. Another handy trick that I always use is I always reset the trip odometer after I do the oil change, so I know exactly how many miles I have on this oil. So for instance, if you go in here and you look at the trip, I just pulled the battery so it lost the memory. Scratch that. See you next time.